Welcome back to Lila's Home Recipes with Home Chef Shagufta.
We are gonna make a spaghetti Parmesan cheese all in one pan. You can read the recipe in English and in Netherlands. Grab a pan, put your pan on the stove, but don't light your stove yet. We will start with cutting 2 tomatoes in big pieces. Make it big because otherwise it will melt in your pan if it's too small. And if you are a tomato lover, you can add more tomatoes in it. It's your choice. You also have those bite-sized little tomatoes in different colors, like in yellow, I think orange also. That makes your pan more beautiful. So if you want to add that, it's also good. Add as much tomato as you want. When you're done cutting your tomatoes, add it to the pan. Add around 3 tablespoons of coarse salt to the pan. And then add around 3 tablespoons of olive oil. The way my mother is putting the oil, it's like she's doing some havan. Like swaha. Just a joke, people. Take it easy. Now you can cut around 3 garlic cloves. Oh my god. Garlic cloves. What a difficult word, man. Knoflookteentjes, people. Knoflookteentjes. You can cut it and add it to your pan. If you want some more garlic in it, you can add it, but don't overdo it. Now is the time to add your pasta. Use around 250, 375 grams. Now we are not people that weigh our food, so we do it by, feeling. Now put it in the pan, put it evenly there, and heat your water in the kettle around 1.7 liters. And in the meantime, you can start grating your lemon peel. You can grate your whole lemon peel, and while you're doing this, the aroma that comes out of it, it's just so purifying. That smell, that aroma will also amplify all the ingredients that are in your pasta. So you can add as much as you want, but once again, don't overdo it. 1 whole lemon peel is enough for this dish. Now you can add your grated lemon peels to the pan. Evenly spread it in the pan so it's a bit everywhere. Now you can add your mix of vegetables to the pan. I've used around 200 grams of vegetables. Now this is the moment you will add your heated water. I didn't use all the water I heated up because it depends on the pan you're using. Just make sure your spaghetti is just beneath the water. And be safe because you're working with hot water. Now you can light up your stove and you can put your pan on it. Be safe, of course, because you're working with a hot liquid. Now you can put your lid on the pan and let it sit on the stove for around 7 minutes. And in the meantime, you can start grating your Parmesan cheese. Honestly, I've used a cheaper version of the Parmesan cheese. Just look at your own budget and use a cheese Parmesan that suits you. After around 7 minutes, you can check on your pasta. Take the lid off the pan and you can keep the lid away because you're not going to use the lid anymore, Now's the moment you can add your Parmesan cheese to your pan and mix it all really good. Because you have kept the lid off the pan, all the water that is left in the pan will evaporate and it will leave you a thick consistency of your pasta. We are almost near the end of making this dish. And if you could smell the aroma that comes out of this pan right now, it's really mouth-watering. This is the moment you can add your ricotta to the mix. And we are people from Suriname, especially my mother. She always needs to add that supawiri into the pan because her dishes cannot be done without it. And now you just mix it. And before you turn off the stove, don't forget the last ingredient, the red chili flakes. Mix it all good for the very last time, and if you look really closely you can see all the water has evaporated and there's like a thick consistency left in the pan. Before you turn off the stove and you're gonna serve your pasta, you need to be really fast because your pasta is gonna absorb all the liquid that is left in the pan. You can now start serving your pasta the way that you want. You can take a look at our website for some serving tips. We would also love to see your creations, so please tag us on Instagram and on TikTok if you have made a dish. And if you've enjoyed watching this video, please like, follow and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching.